So I'm back in my kitchen, you guys. This time it's for a little hair DIY. I've definitely had a little itch to try something a little bit different just because it is about to be summertime. I kind of want to lighten up my hair, but I don't want to do it in a way that is damaging, so no bleach, okay? So I came across an article on the internet that said that I could use honey, which I've actually done a lemon lightener in the past on my YouTube channel. So I don't really remember. I haven't used it really since I did that video, and that was years ago. So this time we're gonna try this mixture and see if I get better results. So we have some honey here. The article said if you combine honey with cinnamon, the cinnamon will actually activate the hydrogen peroxide that is naturally found in honey. And then lemon also has properties that will lighten the hair. So I feel like these three ingredients together are going to be a great cocktail for a natural hair DIY lightener without having to use harsh chemicals or bleach. So we're gonna put this to the test. This time in the bathroom. So it's been officially 30 minutes since the lemon juice, cinnamon, and honey has been marinating. So hopefully that's long enough. That's what the article said to do. So there's a few ways that I could apply this, and I know I do not want to put this over my entire head of hair. I really want to have like a highlighted look because I do have curly hair, and I feel like it's all just so dark that my curls don't really be popping like that. So that's why I wanted to lighten my hair to begin with. I could either just do like highlighted strands, but that's doing a lot. Or I could do like an ombre look where I just hit like the ends of my hair, so when I wear it in a bun, it kind of pops a little bit more. I just don't want my roots, I don't know, to do something funky, especially since I don't know what color it's gonna lift to be like, because it could be reddish. But I heard that cinnamon counteracts the reddish tones in darker hair. Girl, everything is just everything. So this is an experiment. I'm trying it out so you guys don't have to. At least you can see what it will do to a darker hair color. So I guess we're just gonna figure this out. My hair has been in a bun for days. So I'm gonna actually dampen it with my spray bottle and then use a comb to detangle before applying the mixture so it goes on evenly. I feel like I should at least section off my hair so we can get something to work with. I don't know what method to do, because if I do this again and I want like the highlighted look, how am I gonna hit the same highlighted areas? You know, that's gonna be a little bit difficult. Also, my hair is not clean, so we're doing this on dirty hair, just an FYI. But if you are gonna try this at home, I would recommend doing a test patch, but not on my YouTube channel, we're not doing that. I don't know, you guys, I'm just gonna do sections at a time. And I don't need my hair to be like dripping wet, I just want it to be wet enough to absorb this little cocktail, so we shall see. I really would love like a subtle ombre, so maybe we'll just go for that. Yeah, maybe I'll start applying it from like here down. Oh my god, it's so liquidy and grainy from the cinnamon. It's gonna get messy. Yo, my hair is long on the low. What the heck? Yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna hit it on the ends because then when I wear my hair up, I think it'll look really cute. It'll look like a grown out look versus me doing my entire head of hair. I feel like this stuff, because it is natural ingredients, it's gonna be a lot better for my hair versus straight up baking soda and peroxide. I did that on my hair before my big chop. Not the smartest thing I could have ever done. Girl, thank God I cut my hair off anyway. So this is also, in my eyes, a lot safer than doing those bottled sun-in, you know, hair lighteners, because those are straight up like peroxide that's a little bit more diluted. But my hair is giving inches, okay? Make sure the product doesn't drip everywhere. It's looking like a sunny day today. So I'm about to sit underneath this sun to speed it up. I am back. Now remember, I really just put this on the ends. I don't know if it's the cinnamon, but here I could see it's getting like lighter, but like kind of red. So I'm kind of worried. And mind you, I was only outside for 30 minutes in the freaking sun. So I'm gonna give it another 30 minutes. I'm gonna be inside doing some work. So we shall see what happens, you guys. I don't know, it's just very sticky. All right, you guys, it is day 2. I've had this sitting for 45 minutes today. Same mixture, lemon juice, cinnamon, and honey. I think it's just a little bit more liquidy. So I'm gonna apply it in the sink in the kitchen just because I feel like this will be a lot quicker. Since I'm just gonna hit the ends, I think that this is a good switch up from yesterday. This is a method Lazy Girl approved. And just make sure it's like really in there. And that's it. I'm gonna leave this on for like 3 hours today. Yesterday I got really scared because it was my first time doing it. I didn't want my hair to come out too red or something, and I can see a little bit of a difference from yesterday. So I'll check it every like 30 minutes just to see what it's doing. And this is gonna trap the heat, so I'm not gonna sit outside. I'm just gonna do some work for 3 hours, and then hop in the shower and rinse it out. And I know that they recommend, it said like 2 to 4 hours. So I don't know, maybe I'll leave it on longer today if I have the patience for it. But this method, if you're gonna do the ends, so much quicker than yesterday. So I much prefer this, I think, just to saturate curls. I don't want this thing to drip, so I have the cap underneath, but this mix today was so much more runny than yesterday. So my ratios weren't the same. So this is gonna hopefully catch anything from dripping down my neck, and hopefully it'll also help trap some heat to make this process a little bit quicker. You guys, we're going for a walk outside so we can let that sun hit it. I think the cinnamon is making it look red, but
yeah, it looks red.
We'll see when we wash it out. Hopefully we'll be out here for 30 minutes and it can do its thing.